Hello everyone, this is Amira Bhardwaj and I'm from Mumbai. So I have been going through a lot of things like one by one, and it's been 29 years now, and I have seen a lot of doctors, did a lot of physiotherapies, and visited Kerala several times for my therapy, but nothing helped. Even I did Buddhist mind science like in Kathmandu recently. There also it was all about how you control your mind, and I was just talking about this thing to one of my friend. So she suggested me like the situation I'm going through right now, it's good that if I try this thing too, because I was highly pathetic and miserable during those times. And so I was like, fine, like I have tried everything, let's try this one too. So I just wanted to give it a chance, because see, what you have gone through for 29 years, it's not easy that it will just disappear in a day or two. But yeah, at least you'll know what you need to do now, right? Because sometimes you don't know what you need to do and you're just blank and it's all hazy. You don't know like what actually is there which can help you out to come out of that situation, or like the kind of mindset you are going through. So I came here, like though the travel was very tough, but still, like I think the destination matters. And I was here, and I'm still learning, and I think like it will take a while to get into that process and understand my body and relate my body to my mind. So I can work on myself, and once I get to work on myself using all these tactics and techniques what sir has told us, like explained us, so it will be very helpful. That's what I feel right now, because we did few mudras which were like linked, like because our fingers, like everything is linked to each and every part of our body. So when you touch it, when you feel it, then you actually realize, yeah, there is something with these mudras. It's not just you're doing for the sake of doing. So I really feel good about it, and I would like to continue this further, and I would want to have more sessions so that there is more clarity, because you cannot be a boss like in a day or two. So I would suggest, like, unless and until you try it, you can't get it like what actually it is. Thank you so much.